32 years, more than 3 decades of life, thousands of days, millions of seconds. And only now, I truly understand. This is not a story about luck. That is a story about shortcuts. That is a story about overnight success. It is a story about time, about purpose, about waking up to what really matters. And everything begins in a garage. Years ago, 2 young men stood in a simple garage with an idea the world thought was impossible. To organize all the information in existence, they didn't chase fame. They didn't chase fortune. They chased meaning. They chased purpose. They chased a vision that was bigger than themselves. For a moment, it felt like they had discovered the path. Innovation blossomed. The world changed. People believed again. But then, something shifted. Slowly, the mission to organize information turned into a mission to control attention. The purity faded. The garage spirit dimmed. And what started with curiosity and courage transformed into something far more mechanical, far less human. For years, I thought this was normal. I thought this was evolution. I thought this was progress. But I was wrong. Because one day, I looked at my own life and realized I had done the same thing. I spent years chasing goals that weren't mine. Years trying to impress people who didn't matter. Years running after versions of success that never made me feel alive. And today, after 32 years, I finally understand. What matters is not what you achieve, but why you achieve it. It is not about reaching the top, but staying true to who you are along the way. The same company that began in a garage lost its direction with time. And the same thing can happen to us. We grow, we evolve, we adapt. But sometimes, we drift too far from our own essence. The good news is, we can always return. Return to our truth. Return to our purpose. Return to that spark that started everything. That's the real lesson these 32 years have taught me. Do not rush. The things that matter most in life are not immediate. They grow slowly, quietly, consistently. Do not confuse movement with progress. You can run fast in the wrong direction. Do not abandon your why. Ask yourself, what made me start? What lit the fire inside me before recognition existed? What did I dream about before the world told me who I should be? Growth does not mean losing yourself. You can evolve without dissolving your identity. Real success is internal. It is the peace of knowing you are aligned with your values. It took me 32 long years to learn this. Maybe you will learn it sooner. Maybe it will take longer, but the timing does not matter. What matters is this. Every sunrise is a chance to begin again, to realign, to rebuild, to remember the dream you buried because life got loud. Do not wait 32 years. Do not wait for the world to break you. Do not wait until your soul whispers instead of speaks. Life is happening now, not tomorrow. Not one day, now. And it is far too precious to be lived on autopilot. When I look back, I see it clearly. I was busy, but not growing. I was moving, but not progressing. I was chasing noise, but losing my voice. And somewhere inside, I knew. I knew I had traded curiosity for pressure, wonder for hustle, purpose for performance. But life has a way of revealing the truth to you the moment you stop running from yourself. Because every one of us has a garage, a place where our dreams were pure, where our motivations were honest, where our hearts spoke louder than fear. And sometimes, the only way forward is to go back. Back to the beginning. Back to the simplicity. Back to the version of yourself that wasn't afraid to dream. 30-2 years taught me this. Your next chapter will require a different you. Not a bigger one. Not a stronger one. Not a more impressive one. Just a more honest one. Your spirit knows when you've drifted off course. Your body knows when something is wrong. Your heart knows when your path no longer aligns with your truth. The real courage in life is not climbing higher. It is choosing to climb with integrity. The real bravery is not chasing everything. It is protecting what matters. And the real victory is not reaching the top of someone else's mountain, but returning to climb the one that belongs to you. So today, ask yourself, what is your Blue Lynx moment? What is the simple, pure, powerful idea that once made your heart beat faster? What dream have you abandoned? What part of yourself have you been ignoring? Your next breakthrough is not in something new. It is in something forgotten, something buried, something waiting for you to return. You don't need permission. You don't need applause. You don't need validation. You just need honesty and courage. Your life will not change in a single day, but it can change in a single decision. The decision to reclaim your story. The decision to return to your purpose. The decision to stop living someone else's definition of success. And the most powerful decision of all, the decision to begin again. 32 years to understand this. 32 years to learn that the world doesn't need the perfect you. It needs the real you. So go back to your garage, reconnect with your truth, rebuild your fire, and then start again. With clarity, with strength, with purpose. Your next era starts when you finally choose yourself. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. And if this message reached you, share it with someone who needs it. Your life is still unfolding. Your story is still being written, and the best chapter is the one you choose to write next.